Good morning students. In this video we will be learning from our English workbook. Let's discover English course book 4. Okay. In previous links we have learnt more frequently used words and something. We have learnt a lot about the revisions. So we are going to start up with our English lesson number 1. This is your English book. Open it up. Very firstly you have page contents. आपकी बुक में ऐसे पेज रहेगा. This is the page where you can see the lesson number, lesson name and the page number. These many lessons we have in our English workbook. So today we are going to read lesson number 1, The Mystery of the Whispering Ghost. Let's start. Come to page number 7. Lesson number 1, The Mystery of the Whispering Ghost. Let's have a warm-up exercise before we start the lesson. Solve the mystery. हमें ये mystery solve करनी है. On 15/8/2016. It means 15/8 is 15th August. On 15th August 2016, Monday afternoon at 3 p.m. A man is found murdered in his home in New Delhi. His wife calls the police. So kids, what is the situation over here? On 15th August, Monday का दिन है. Afternoon, what is the time? At 3 p.m. Listen it carefully. It is 15th August 2016, Monday, and it is afternoon time. The time is 3 o'clock. A man is found murdered in his home and his wife is calling the police. Wife ने क्या किया? पुलिस को बुलाया है. Police questions everyone who works for the family. Following are the answers they get. What did police officers do? उन्होंने सबसे questions पूछा with each and every person. वाइफ से, देन उनके घर में जितने भी सर्वेंट्स थे, जितने लोग भी हेल्प करते थे काम में, सबसे इंक्वायरी की, पूछा. वाइफ आंसर, आई वॉज स्लीपिंग. वाइफ ने क्या आंसर दिया? शी वॉज स्लीपिंग. नेबर्स, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय नेबर्स? पड़ोसी. यस और नो? पड़ोसी को हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं नेबर्स. नेबर्स सेड वी वर अवे अटेंडिंग अ वेडिंग. सो नेबर्स कहाँ थे? एक वेडिंग सेरेमनी में गए थे. कुक, आई वेंट टू गेट फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स फ्रॉम द मार्केट. व्हाट डिड द कुक सेड? दैट आई वेंट टू द मार्केट फॉर बाइंग फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स खरीदने के लिए गया था. ड्राइवर, आई वेंट टू द बैंक. ड्राइवर ने क्या कहा? मैं बैंक गया था. वॉचमैन, आई वॉज ऑन लीव फॉर अ रिलेटिव्स वेडिंग. और वॉचमैन कहाँ था? ही वॉज ऑन लीव. ही हैड टेकन एन हॉलीडे बिकॉज ही वॉन्ट टू गो टू हिज रिलेटिव्स वेडिंग. पुलिस इमीडिएटली अरेस्ट द मर्डरर. पुलिस ने क्या किया? झट से मर्डरर को अरेस्ट किया. कैन यू टेल हु इज़ द मर्डरर? कैन यू टेल कौन है इनमें से मर्डरर? वाइफ है, नेबर्स है, कुक है, ड्राइवर है या वॉचमैन? थिंक अबाउट इट. हैव यू थॉट हु इज़ द मर्डरर? कौन हो सकता है मर्डरर? द मर्डरर इज ड्राइवर. हाउ कम? ड्राइवर कैसे मर्डरर हो सकता? कैसे पुलिस ने करेक्ट मर्डरर को अरेस्ट किया? सोचो. हाउ इज द ड्राइवर इज द मर्डरर? बिकॉज ही वॉज लाइंग. उसने झूठ कहा था. रिमेंबर किड्स, वॉट इज द फैक्ट हियर? इट इज 15th August Monday एंड द ड्राइवर वेंट टू द बैंक. ड्राइवर ने झूठ क्या बोला? वो तो बैंक गया था. नाउ 15th August इज इंडिपेंडेंस डे and all the banks have holidays on account of 15th August. So driver ने झूठ कहा था कि वो बैंक गया था. So the right murderer is driver. So kids, have you understood how to solve a mystery using some clues? Now let's see what mystery we have in our story. Let's start. Paul, wake up. Wake up. Who is in the story? Paul. Paul opened his eyes. His 5-year-old sister Morgan was standing next to his bed. Moonlight spilled through his window. So, who are there in the story? Paul, a boy, and Morgan, girl. Who is Morgan? Morgan is a 5-year-old girl. She is sister of Paul. Sister कौन है? Morgan. Brother कौन है? Paul. What's the matter, Morgan? I can't sleep. It's too noisy in my room. Noisy? Why? Paul rubbed his eyes. So, कौन सा time है students? Look at the time. What is the time going on? It is the night time. And Morgan, she came and woke up Paul. Paul, उठ जाओ. I can't sleep because it's too noisy in my room. And how the Paul is getting up? He is rubbing his eyes. आप लोग सोकर उठते वक्त कैसे रब करते हो अपने eyes? In the same way, Paul is also rubbing his eyes and he got up. What? Noisy? Why? क्यों? ऐसे पूछा उसने. Turn next page. Okay, turn your page. Come to page number 8. There's a ghost in my room and she keeps whispering to me. She's keeping me awake. Now what did Morgan said? कि मेरे रूम में कौन है? Ghost है. Ghost means भूत है. There is ghost in my room and she is not letting me sleep. सोने दे रही है क्या? No. She is continuously whispering something like this. She is doing. Paul sat up. A whispering ghost? At 12 years old, Paul knew this indeed investigating. So, what did Paul said? A whispering ghost. एक बात करने वाला भूत. So, he found it investing. He thought he should invest it. What do you mean by investigating? Carefully examining the facts of a situation, an event or a crime to find out what is truth or how it happened. So Paul ने क्या सोचा? I will investigate. मैं ढूंढ के निकालूंगा what is the correct thing. They tiptoed, मतलब ऐसे धीरे धीरे शांति से they went. They tiptoed down the dark hallway to Morgan's bedroom. कहाँ गए दोनों? मॉर्गन के बेडरूम में. Paul looked down the hallway at the door of their parents' bedroom, wondering if he would wake them up. Morgan opened the door to her room. धीरे से शांति से वो धीरे धीरे tiptoed where they went to the Morgan's bedroom, and Morgan, she opened her bedroom's door. Come on, she whispered, as usual, not afraid of anything. और ऐसे बता रही थी as if she is not at all frightened of it. Paul gulped. What do you mean by gulped? Swallowed. We do like this, like Paul gulped and reached inside the door and switched on the lights. Paul ने अंदर जाके lights on कर दी. He switched on the bedroom's light. Morgan's room filled with soft light. Paul looked around the room. I don't hear it, he said. Her, corrected Morgan. She is her. What did Morgan said? That the ghost is her. It means Morgan को कैसे feel हो रहा था कि वो ghost की voice, ghost is a girl. So she says she is her. How do you know? Because I am a girl and this is my room. What did Paul ask? आपको कैसे पता है कि एक ghost girl है? So what did she answer? That she is a girl and that's why the ghost can be a girl. Paul didn't think that made sense, but he knew better than to argue. Well, anyway, I still don't hear anything. Maybe she's afraid of you. What did Paul said? Let it be. This girl and boy thing, rather than arguing, we will find her out. But what did he said to Morgan? That I cannot hear it. I think she's afraid of you, he's saying to Morgan. Paul didn't think that made sense either. Ghosts are supposed to scare people, not the other way around. He decided to wait and see if the ghost would come back. He turned off the light and sat in the chair while Morgan snugged into bed. The room was dark and Paul could hear the ticking of the clock downstairs. So, what did Paul decided? Rather of thinking, he should practice it. मतलब वो एक आइडिया लगाया उसने. Ghosts are supposed to scare people, है कि नहीं? Ghost तो डराते हैं ना peoples को, भूत डराते हैं. So that's why he decided that he will wait He turned off the bedroom's light and he sat on the chair, and Morgan, she went back to the bed. And because of dark and silent, Paul can hear the voice of clock also. Paul को ऊपर बैठे बैठे downstairs की clock की voice भी आने लगी. Paul was falling asleep when he heard a soft whispering sound. As he was feeling sleepy, what did he heard? एक छोटी सी आवाज़ whispering sound he heard. It came from near the bookcase in the darkest part of the Morgan's room. Morgan also heard the whispering. Paul, can you hear her? What did happen just after they heard the whispering sound? कहाँ से आ रहा था sound? From the bookcase. Bookcase मतलब बुक के रैक से आ रहा था. It is the darkest place of the Morgan's room. Morgan, she quickly said, Paul, can you hear? क्या तुम वो वॉइस सुन सकते हो? Yes, I do. What did Paul said? Yes, मैं सुन सकता हूँ. Hold still. Just wait a minute. Paul got up and tiptoed over to the light, switched and turned it on. The room filled with light again, but there was no ghost to be seen, and the whispering stopped. Then what did Paul do? He went near the bookcase and he turned on light again. But again the same thing happens, whispering stopped. Kids, let's continue our lesson in the next video. Till that you have to read this lesson. Okay? Bye bye.